Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to use your Tropical Smoothie gift card on their app in 2025. Whether you're treating yourself to a refreshing smoothie or a tasty bowl, this quick guide will have you ordering like a pro in no time. It's all about making your experience seamless and fun, so let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have the Tropical Smoothie app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head over to your app store. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's installed, open the app and log in to your account. If you're new, don't worry. Creating an account is straightforward. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify if needed. Now, let's get to the gift card. Tap on the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and look for the Account or Payments section. There, you'll find an option like Add Gift Card or Redeem Card. Grab your gift card. It should have a 16-digit number and a PIN on the back. Carefully enter these details into the app, double-check for accuracy, and hit Submit. The app will verify it, and your balance will be added to your account instantly. When you're ready to order, browse the menu, select your favorite items, and head to the checkout. At the payment screen, choose your gift card as the method. If you have multiple payment options, it might ask you to select the amount to use. Confirm your order and voila, your smoothie is on its way. A couple of quick tips. Always check your gift card balance in the app before ordering to avoid surprises, and make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version for the smoothest experience. If you encounter any issues, the app has a help section or customer support you can reach out to. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your tropical smoothie hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy guides, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.